Hello and welcome back to my channel RA Education. I am your mentor Rishba. Again I am here with very interesting topic. Do you know? What does it mean by artificial intelligence? So, let's get started. Friends, artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. Specific applications of AI include expert systems, natural language processing, speech recognition and machine vision. What is an example artificial intelligence? Apple's Siri, Google Now, Amazon's Alexa, and Microsoft's Cortana are one of the main examples of AI in everyday life. These digital assistants help users perform various tasks, from checking their schedules and searching for something on the web, to sending commands to another app. John McCarthy. If John McCarthy, the father of AI, were to coin a new phrase for artificial intelligence today, he would probably use computational intelligence. McCarthy is not just the father of AI, he is also the inventor of the list processing language. Artificial intelligence enhances the speed, precision and effectiveness of human efforts. In financial institutions, AI techniques can be used to identify which transactions are likely to be fraudulent, adopt fast and accurate credit scoring, as well as automate manually intense data management tasks. Well, that's all we have for you today. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you click down below. Subscribe to the button. Hit the notification bell. If you have any question, feel free to contact me and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, my friends.